Here's how to hide your liked reels on Instagram. Let's jump in on my iPhone, but of course you can do the exact same steps on an Android to prevent anyone else from seeing your liked reels. Now, if you tap on the Reels button and then tap on Friends at the top right, you'll be able to see all of your friends' liked reels. But let's turn that off so nobody can see your liked reels. To do that, you're going to tap on the Profile button at the bottom right, and then tap on the three lines at the top right. From here, all you need to do is scroll down, and what you're looking for is the section that says who can see your content, and specifically the activity in your friend's feed. So just tap on that, and you can see it says who can see your likes, comments on reels, etc. Switch this to nobody. After you've done that, I would highly recommend just closing out of the app and opening it back up again, and you'll be good to go. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.